Does LG TV have DirecTV app? LG Smart TVs do not have a dedicated DirecTV app available for direct download from the LG Content Store. However, users can still access DirecTV through alternative methods such as streaming devices, screen mirroring, or using the web browser. DirecTV is primarily designed for devices like Roku, Fire Stick, Apple TV, and smartphones, but LG TV owners can still watch DirecTV content with a few workarounds. 1. DirecTV app is not available on LG Content Store. Unlike some streaming platforms, LG Smart TVs do not support a native DirecTV app. This means users cannot directly install the app on their LG TVs running WebOS. 2. Use streaming devices for DirecTV. The easiest way to access DirecTV on an LG TV is by using an external streaming device such as Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, or Apple TV. These devices support the DirecTV app and allow users to stream live TV and on-demand content seamlessly. 3. Screen mirroring and casting can be used. Another method to watch DirecTV on an LG Smart TV is by mirroring the screen from an Android or iOS device. Apple users can use AirPlay, while Android users can use built-in casting features or third-party apps to display DirecTV on the TV screen. 4. Web browser access may work. Some LG Smart TVs allow users to stream DirecTV by accessing its website through the built-in web browser. While this method may not be as smooth as using the official app, it provides an alternative way to watch content without needing extra devices. 5. DirecTV subscription is required. Regardless of the method used, a valid DirecTV subscription is necessary to access content. Users must sign in with their DirecTV credentials to watch live TV, on-demand shows, and DVR recordings. Although LG Smart TVs do not have a native DirecTV app, users can still access DirecTV through streaming devices, screen mirroring, or the web browser. Using an external device like Fire Stick or Roku is the best option for a smooth experience.